Hello everyone, my name is Ravina. So today I would like to tell about the nature of young learner, including their characteristic, how they learn, and how teacher can deal with the different types of young learners. So let's check this out. Okay, first let's talk about the characteristic of young learners. Young learners are usually active, curious, and full of energy. They like to explore new things and ask many questions. However, they also have a short attention span, which means they can get bored easily if the lessons is monotone. Another characteristic from young learners is that they learn through concert things, not abstract things. They understand more about pictures, real objects, and gesture. Also, they love to play, so learning through games is very effective to them. In addition, young learners are very emotional. They can feel happy, excited, or even sad because of this. So, we as a teacher need to be concerned about their emotion too. Okay, next, I will explain about how children learn. Okay, so children learn best by doing. This means they need to be actively involved while in the learning process, not just listening or just sitting and listen to the teacher for explanation. Okay, I will give an example first. They learn better through activities. Activities like songs, playing games, storytelling, and role playing. They also learn through repetition. Even if they repeat the same words for many times, it actually helps them to remember the words better. Another important point for children is that they learn through interaction. They learn from their teacher, but also they learn from their classmates. That's why pair works or group works is also very useful for them. Okay, let's move to how to deal with different type of young learners that I have mentioned before. So, in one classroom, there are usually very different types of learners, right? For example, there are very visual learners or auditory learners and kinesthetic learners. Usually, kinesthetic learners understand better through a picture, videos, or written text. So teacher can use flashcard, slides, or even drawing for them. And for auditory learners, they learn better by listening. So the teacher can use audio, song, storytelling, or verbal explanation. And the last we have is kinesthetic learners that prefers learning by doing and moving. For them, teacher can use games, physical activities, or hands-on tasks. As a teacher, it is important for us to combine different teaching methods so all of our students can understand the lesson better. I will share my experience. So when I teaching young learners using games, it's very helpful. They like games and they feel excited about learning through games. So sometimes when I feel like they are bored, I will give them a games and something to do so they can remember the material better. I also ever try to use song for learning materials like maybe the vocabulary we have to pay attention for it and the students sing the song together. It's very fun and we learn better to song. We came to the conclusion of our video. So in conclusion, every young learners are unique. They are active, they are curious, and they learn best through fun and interactive activities. The teacher needs to understand their characteristic and use various methods, strategies to meet their needs. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for your kind attention.